This hallmark of epigenetic alteration with our new ingredient Mono-Juventa going into its new product of phytoscience to be launched soon. And we'll hear more about that. What I want to mention here is that you remember that in 2012 Phytoscience launched a double stem cell product, and with that Phytoscience was the first company using plant stem cells even before the hallmarks of aging have been invented. And I think this is clear that Phytoscience is the trend maker. Now let me talk a little bit about epigenetic aging. So this is a new term, epigenetics, and I will try to explain to you what that is. And I think the easiest way to explain what epigenetic aging is to use the model of the bees. And you know there are two types of bees. There's a queen bee and there's a worker bee. And the queen bee and the worker bee are actually coming from the same hive. There should be identical twins, but they look very different. So the queen bee can live 10 times longer than the worker bee, even though they are kind of identical twins. And what is the reason that the queen bee can live so long compared to the worker bee? You know it, because the queen bee gets royal jelly to eat and the worker bees only eat the pollen. And this means, depending what you eat, you get an epigenetic alteration, and this can make you live long or short, just by the food, the diet. And this is called epigenetic modulation. And epigenetic modulation then, like the food, the drink, the smoking, the environment, will have an impact on your genes, which can be modified, and there are maybe three different mechanisms. One is chromatin remodeling, DNA methylation, microRNA expression. So these are the way how epigenetics can be modified. And this is all done by what you eat, what you do, and the environment you are in. What is interesting now is that these modifications can be transferred to the next generation. However, they are also reversible, and they can be even inherited to the next generation. That means to your offspring. And what that means is maybe shown here. You know that. So if you have an unhealthy health style, for example, if you have an unhealthy diet, this will lead to weight problems, and maybe you will get diabetes. And if you change your diet, that does not immediately bring you back, or you lose this diabetes. And these weight problems and diabetes problems can even be transferred to your offspring, to your children, even though the children would have never eaten a bad food. This is epigenetic inheriting of problems. And this is a big impact, and we want to counteract that. Here I have another slide which will explain to you how the environment or your diet or maybe your smoking can have an effect on your offsprings. So you see here, a mother is smoking. That's not good for her health. If this mother is pregnant, the smoking will also not be good for the baby. And if this baby is a female baby, this female baby will already have the oocytes, and this means with one smoking habit you can already target 3 generations. And this is epigenetic aging or targeting. This is what we want to counteract with our new active. And the interest of the consumer is now called biohacking. Biohacking means that the consumers want to monitor how healthy they are. And this is seen, I think, in the market with wearable devices, watches, where you can measure how many steps you walked, how deep you slept, how big is your heart rate, and so on. And then there are different treatments, and finally this comes also to the food supplements and cosmetics. You can maybe support your health by eating nutritional products. And I want to show you here one special thing, and this is the determination of your biological age as a new biohacking method. What does that mean? You have a biological age and you have a chronological age. So the chronological age is your passport age. Let's assume you're 60 in your passport. But your biological age can be higher if you have had an unhealthy lifestyle, or it can be lower. And then you can change it. You can change it. And you can, for example, eat a certain product, and then your biological age will come down. So you eat it maybe for your passport age is 60 and your biological age is already 70. Then you can start to eat this food supplement for 1 year. Then your chronological age goes from 60 to 61 in 1 year, but your biological age may come back from 70 to 65. And this is the future, I think, that you can interfere with your biological age. And this is all the story about this new product, that we want to modify and change the biological age of our body and our skin. Now the question is, of course, how can we measure the biological age? And this has been invented by this guy here. It's the Harvard clock, it's called, and this guy here invented that we can do a so-called DNA methylation analysis, where we can exactly measure your biological age of certain organs and of the whole body. And this is the new ingredient we have developed at Nibel Biochemistry. It's called Mona Juventa. It was launched 2024, and it has already won 3 awards, and this Mona Juventa ingredient will turn back the aging clock. So you, instead of getting older, you can modify your biological age going back. This ingredient is made out of a plant extract. The plant extract is shown here. It's the scarlet bee balm, which you see here, and it has a molecule which is delivering the activity. It's called thymidine, and this will have the major impact of this ingredient. And what we could show is that this will interact on these hallmarks of aging, and we target specifically these epigenetic alterations. So how can we make the biological age going backwards? I will show you now some experiments we have done. First is a few experiments in vitro, and then I will show you the clinical study which we have done, which of course is then very important. What can you expect if you eat this product on treatment? So the first interesting thing we could see is that when we age skin cells by growing them one after the others, and in this passage we could see that these cells age. When we determine the biological age, these cells getting older and older and older, but when we give them our Mona Juventa, the age goes back. So that's very interesting that we can turn back the age of these cells. So we can measure the age of these cells also with another tool, that's the beta-galactosidase assay. So here we have young cells, here we have old cells, they're much older, and then you see here again with this Mona Juventa ingredient it comes much down. So then we also looked at telomere shortening. Telomere shortening is one of the hallmarks of aging. Each time a cell replicates, the telomeres are getting a little bit shorter until they can no longer get shorter anymore, and then the cell dies. So this telomere shortening is a very good measurable kind of a parameter to measure aging. And we could see here that this product, this Scarlet Bee Balm, could stop the shortening rate of these telomeres, so we could stop the aging of these chromosomes. So we have done much more experiments, which I don't have the time to explain all these experiments to you, but overall we could counteract 8 out of these 12 hallmarks of aging. That means we could counteract 8 out of 12 mechanisms why we age. And this of course is why we get such a big impact with this ingredient. But finally, let me show you the clinical study. And I will give you a little bit more detail. So we had a clinical study which went over 84 days, so that's a little bit like 3 months. We had 80 people, and these people were all stressed people. They work in shift or they worked in a hospital. So that's, I think, very common. Everybody today is stressed, and therefore it's also when we are stressed, we age much faster. So the biological age is increasing much faster. And then they got 100 milligram of this ingredient, Mona Juventa, in a capsule, and then they also got a placebo which didn't contain this ingredient. What we then measured in the blood was the telomere length, we measured the quality of life, we measured how good the people lived, how active they were, and we measured the biological age of these people before and after the treatment. And here are the results. So we see here in the placebo group the telomeres got shorter, and with our product the telomeres got longer again. That means it's a very strong anti-aging effect. Then here the next thing, we see here that in this study these stressed people in 3 months got 1.8 years older in biological age. And with the Mona Juventa, as you see down here, they remained about the same. That means we could kind of save the aging of 1.5 years in a 3 months treatment. So you get 1.5 years younger in a 3 months treatment by eating this Mona Juventa. Then also, the question is then, okay, if you're 1.5 years younger, what do you feel? And we measured that. You feel that your activity, physical activity, is much higher, and also your sleep quality is much better. This is when you're younger. And then you can also ask the people with a questionnaire, how do you feel? How do you, what do you feel, how you are doing? And so this is a so-called quality of life questionnaire, which is a standardized questionnaire with about 150 of questions. And then you can rate that, and you see here, during this study, the quality of life of the placebo group went down, and here the quality of life of the group which ate this new ingredient improved significantly. So this is the summary. So with this ingredient, with stressed population, we could see that their sleep is better, their physical activity is better. They got 1.5 years younger in a 3 months treatment, and I think this is really a promising new ingredient for phytoscience to be launched very soon. So I have this picture to come to the end of my story. I don't know if you know this picture. This is a so-called fountain of youth. So you have old people here, they come and take a bath in the fountain, and when they get out on the other side, they're young again. Fountain of youth. And this is a painting. As you see, it's a painting, and this painting is very old. It's from 1542. Meaning this is an old dream that we can get younger again. But I think with this new ingredient we're gonna launch, this dream maybe will become true. Thank you very much for your attention.